It was 3 months ago since I've decided to conduct this study. While walking out the corridor, I accidentally heard some students planning to cut classes to play Dota. Few days later, I went to a computer shop for some project making. There's no available computers. I've noticed that most of the people there were students who are playing Dota. That was Saturday night and I went home to Pampanga and saw the scenario wherein my mother is scolding my 2 younger brothers because of going home late. It was because of Dota again. According to my mother, my brothers are spending most of their allowances on playing Dota, and when the release of class cards came, they both got low grades. I was encouraged to conduct this study because of those observations. I am really interested how Dota affects the students, either good or bad. I want to know if it is advisable to encourage people on playing Dota, and if it is not, then why do they keep on playing Dota? Well, we'll find that out later. Please join us as we search the effects of Dota to the academic performance of BSA students.
Study aims to answer the following questions. How may the respondents be classified in terms of age, gender, and year level? What are the effects observed among the respondents? How do these effects affect the academic performance of the respondents? These effects on academic performance occur.
Chapter 3 is all about research methodology. The research design that we use is the descriptive research design. It is a scientific method which involves observing and describing the behavior of a subject without influencing it in any way. The respondents are 20 BS accountancy students who are enrolled at New Era University, second semester, year 2010 to 20. We use questionnaires in a form of a checklist. It has 2 parts: the profile of the respondents and their options or answers to a certain questions. We sought the advice of the proper authorities and sum up the results. We personally conducted the interview on the respondents or gathering the data. Then, we collected it ready for organization of data gathered and tabulation. This research found out that most of the respondents belong to 17 to 18 age bracket and were male in gender. It was also found out that most of them were first-year students. The study found out that there are different effects experienced by the respondents, such as less hours in studying, loss of money, laziness, feeling sleepy during school hours, skipping meals, not doing homework, and even eye problems. The said effects greatly affect the academic performance of the students negatively. According to the results gathered, the effects occur because of entertainment they get while playing Dota, and parallel to that, it causes negative effects on their academic performances.
Based on the data gathered, this study therefore concludes that most of the respondents belong to the age bracket 17 to 18. This means that most of the respondents are got from first-year classes. Furthermore, most of the respondents are male in gender. The research found out that the 2 main effects of Dota to the respondents are less hours in studying and loss of money. The said effects affect the students' academic performance negatively. Instead of studying, the respondents prefer to allot their time on playing Dota that causes them to lose their money. The negative effects of Dota occur due to their eagerness to be entertained, and this entertainment can lead to addiction that can truly affect the respondents' academic performance.
This study recommends the students or they should learn to observe among themselves the effects of Dota because observation can help them in preventing the negative results. For the parents, they should not tolerate the unnecessary habit of their children. They should try to discipline them to prevent those negative effects. The future researchers, anyone who is willing to continue and broaden this research, we, the researchers, give our greatest thanks to you. Wish you good luck. For the professors, that they should give a piece of advice to their students and make them realize that studying is more important than playing the